The air turns crisp as the season changes, and the trees of Appalachia glow with deep reds, oranges, and golds. Colour rolls across small mountains and winding hillsides, painting the landscape in motion as you ride. The paths twist through old places long left behind, rusted bridges, empty factories, and tracks where nature has taken back what was once hers. The hum of your quad echoes through the valleys, mixing with the calls of birds and the rustle of leaves. Here, the trails carve through every kind of terrain, hard-packed dirt winding up ridges, muddy climbs slick with fallen leaves, and wooden bridges stretching over misty hollows. Some paths invite speed and flow, others test your balance and focus. Every turn feels like a new discovery, sometimes quiet, sometimes wild. Up here, it's just you, the trail, and the land itself. Appalachia is where adventure meets reflection, a ride through history and into the heart of the mountains. Your path to stroke recovery starts here. Visit OutbounderARS.com to get started.